Dacă poți să le iau la număr, dar ieșea de Florin pe loc.
What the fuck?
Da. Bă, ăsta, am auzit că trebuie să las un pachet pe aici pe undeva.
Gata, Nentule, ha?
Spune lui Florin, spune că vorbiți cu mine
Ce
și
pisici.
ne întâlnim pe ăla, mai vorbim oricum. Păi
Uite tu, bă, așa ceva n-ai văzut. Hai că te las, bine, Nentule. Închide tu.
Da, da.
Bine, pa, pa.
Bine, pa, pa, ceau.
Jesus Christ!
Stop sign, you stupid shit! The stop sign, you idiot! Oh! Holy f***.
Why are you giving me
determined is that while we continue to have to fight this virus, those kinds of emergency tools are no longer necessary. And we made the services determined is that while we continue to have to fight this virus, those kinds of emergency tools are no longer necessary. And we made the determination that we can end the public health emergency.
Well, what does that mean for the particulars? Hospitals have been getting a 20% increase in Medicare payment rates for treating COVID. There have been free tests. Does all that go away?
So a lot of those policies do change, and we do start treating COVID like another respiratory condition for many policy things, where reimbursements, et cetera.
looks like 3 or 4 people ripped over into our lane. No idea why.
Maybe somebody parked like an asshole.
No, I mean, there was no one parked. They're just... What a fucking...
Over the place, you can see the seat of the plane, the floor of the plane.
This route avoids road closures on I-65 South between exits 113 and 110A. You are on the best route. You should reach your destination by 4:09 p.m.
Fucking moron. She says... Jesus.
And really sets the scene. I get the feeling John is a bit of a showman.
Part of what I like to do here, I came from Walt Disney World, so I kind of have this theming mentality. But I like it when you can get to an area and say, okay, this
year-old feasibly could cover 12 miles of rough country in less than a day. It's just straight up impossible. But what are you doing stopping at a red light? You're at a green light, buddy. Let me pass this loser.
Post, and they just issued a tornado warning for our area.
So it pulled up the radar. We're in the hook. And Paul says, we don't have to worry about that.
A Coleman Cross garage floor coating is the gold standard. It's 4 times stronger than epoxy. Guaranteed. A Coleman Cross garage floor won't chip, crack, or lift like epoxy or paint. And we make
Go get him, get him, get him, get him.